Homeopathy may be the most controversial but also the most popular alternative medicines. Let's talk about that. From where does the process started? In 18th century, medicines were very different from today. Treatment like bloodletting left the patient worse than before. So Samuel Hahnemann wanted a non-invasive, natural way of healing and developed homeopathy. And in fact, homeopathic hospitals were soon successful because doing no harm beats doing harm. So let's have some knowledge that how the homeopathic medicines are created. These are the 8 most used natural ingredients that are used in creating homeopathic medicine: onions, mountain daisy, arnica, chamomilla, hypericum, poison nut, poison ivy, windflower, each having their unique characteristics for curing like the diseases and following the principle like yours life. Like if due to depression you can't sleep well, so you can eat the coffee beans to reduce your depression and have a well sleep. So we all have a question that how does homeopathy work? As we know, like yours like, so to develop a medicine, first step is of identification of the problem, that what are the problems that the patient is facing, then thinking for the remedies that can be many, and most important selection of substances. Which type of substance are you gonna use, whether it would be natural or some chemical to use to make it better, and at the last the dilution process where water is mixed until all the harms are removed from it. So which diseases can homeopathic be used to cure for? They can cure depression, chronic fatigue, irritable bowel syndrome, premenstruation syndrome, allergies, migraine, skin problem, and many more like this. And the best thing of all is that they does not have any adverse effect on the patient or the person that is being cured. Counting about the advantages, that can be many. Most of the all, they are available at very low cost. Their aim is to improve the level of health by stimulating the self-regulatory mechanism. They provide effective treatment of healing in both acute and chronic illnesses. Homeopathy is a very safe treatment and they are non-toxic, harmless and does not have any adverse side effect. They are scientific and based on nature's principle of cure. Homeopathic medicines have less disadvantages, but ignoring them can be very much harmful. Homeopathic medicines can be very dangerous for the person who are having asthma problem, are curing from cancer, and most of all, it would be illogical to use them as a vaccine for any sort of disease because they does not have provided the enough evidence to prove that the homeopathy can also cure for the diseases that can be. In the advancement era, how many people still use homeopathic medicines in Pakistan? As a result of survey, it was concluded that female prefers and use homeopathic medicines more as compared to men. There were many reasons to support because they are easily available at low cost, old concepts are still being followed, and most of all, they are made naturally. Some people does not prefer them because these medicines takes time to make recovery. There are not enough evidences to prove them that these medicines are right and they have non-toxic effect, and this is the main reason that people feel afraid of using these medicines. Government is also not helping these small institutions to make more and well advancement, so people also get indulged in using them. Let's talk about the myths that we mostly heard related to the homeopathic medicine, that it is a placebo effect, and it is not a myth but a fact to make recovery fast. Food restrictions are there, but the fact is to make the patient well soon, food restrictions are created. The medicines are created in a sweet way, but they does not have any negative effect on diabetes patient because many patients having diabetes issue are cured through homeopathic medicines. Homeopathic medicines cannot beat antibiotics, but they can cure in a very well way, as the new medicine can only cure from the upper side, not from the inner.